Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to access your heated and cooling seats in your 2020 Acura RLX. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what we're going to do is we're going to click on this button right here. The left side is the cooling seats, and once we press on it, it's going to go on the highest setting, which is on high. Click on it again, it's going to go to medium and then low and then off again. Same goes for the heated seats, high, medium, low, and then off. Same goes for the passenger and off. And yeah, that would be it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.